YouTube, Sunnyland Camper at you. Made me a little list here so I can do my intro to my channel. Did the new YouTube thing here, so let me go over this real quick. They said to keep it short, so I'll do that. We'll be going over some prepping stuff. Talk about some of the bug in, bug out type scenarios. We'll go over some gear. Talk about my camper, because that's one of my bug out vehicles. We'll be talking about camping, gear, my camper again, and places to go camping. We're talking about guns, of course. Politics, what bullshit, but I'm going to cover it. Fun things, different games and stuff to be able to do outside. Different fun little activities to be able to do while you're out camping and prepping and stuff. And we'll be doing a lot of homemade type stuff. Wine, booze, different types of food. And of course, I do a lot of VRs for the contests and the giveaways. So welcome my channel. Make sure you sub, like them, and tell your friends about it. Share it out there. I appreciate it. Sunnyland Camper out. We'll see you on the trail.